Hi, I'm Megan Sweeney.
Hi, I'm Catherine Buckley.
Hi, I'm Luke Berardinelli.
Hi, I'm Zoe Dibble, and we're the Gold Team from UMass Amherst, working on picking up trash at the Connecticut River for our environmental leadership project.
On our first day of collection, we went to a section of the bike path that crosses the Connecticut River. Trash in terrestrial waterways not only negatively impacts the ecosystem of the waterway and the surrounding land, but it will also eventually flow into the ocean that the waterway empties into.
On the second day, we drove to Honeypot Road to pick up more trash along the river and on the sides of the road. In our time cleaning the Connecticut River, we realized that what civic engagement means to us is working and volunteering our time to make a difference in our local communities and helping to jumpstart a movement that's in line with our morals and values. It's all about the bigger picture and advocating for our quality of life.
So we found a bunch of oil buckets which had leaked and spilled oil all over the leaves in this section. So we're gonna pick them all up. Can you see it?
We found our time volunteering to be very rewarding. It was disappointing to see that there was so much trash alongside such beautiful landscapes, but it was rewarding to see it all picked up in the end. Environmental leadership is the beginning step of natural resource conservation. It's about knowing the change you want to see in the world and taking action to see it. And if more people did it, our planet would be in a much better place.
This project has shown us just how much trash is out in the environment and how common littering still is. As a way to try and remedy this, we made the effort to recycle as much as we possibly could. We cleaned and sorted all of our trash into what could be recycled and what had to be thrown away. After realizing that a lot of what we found could not be recycled, we learned just how destructive single-use plastics and other materials are to the environment.
That's a lot of trash.